If you're seeing a Monday.com error 500, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes you can try right away to get back into your workspace. A 500 internal server error usually means something temporary is interfering with the page loading properly, and the good news is that you can often solve it without any advanced troubleshooting. We'll go step by step, starting with the quickest fix and moving into the more effective browser and network checks. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. First, refresh the page and give it a few minutes. Sometimes a 500 error is just a temporary server-side issue or a brief connection problem, and a simple refresh after waiting can be enough to restore the page. If it still doesn't work, sign out of Monday.com completely and then sign back in. This can reset your session and clear out a login issue that might be causing the error. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using, then refresh Monday.com again. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with cloud apps and trigger loading errors. If you're on a restricted or unstable connection, try switching to a different network as well. For example, move from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot or try a different internet connection entirely, then refresh the page again. If the error is still happening, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time, then choose Cache and Cookies. Click Clear and restart the browser. Old or corrupted browser data can often cause page errors like this, especially if Monday.com has updated something behind the scenes. Another very common fix is to disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any extensions that might block scripts or page resources. After that, reload Monday.com and see if the error is gone. Some extensions can break modern web apps without warning, even when everything else seems fine. If none of those steps work, try opening Monday.com in a different browser. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox are usually the best options for compatibility. Switching browsers can help you determine whether the issue is with Monday.com itself or with your current browser setup. If the site works in another browser, you'll know the problem is local to your original browser. At this point, if Monday.com is still showing error 500, the issue may be temporary on their side, so it can help to wait and try again a little later. Server errors often resolve themselves once the platform finishes handling a disruption. You can also check whether other users are reporting the same issue, because if they are, that's a strong sign it's not caused by your device. So to recap, the fastest fixes are refreshing the page, signing out and back in, turning off VPN or proxy settings, switching networks, clearing cache and cookies, disabling extensions, and trying a supported browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. These steps solve most Monday.com error 500 issues quickly and safely. If this guide helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.